Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info. Now I'm going to show you how to disable music haptics on iPhone 16, 16 Pro devices. Music haptics, this is the cool feature that helps you to feel music vibrations when you listen to music, for example, or watching videos. And in this way, you will not only hear music, but you will feel music too. So it's a very good idea to enable this feature if you have problems with hearing, but sometimes we just should to disable it. And to disable this feature, we should open accessibility, then scroll down and find here hearing is hearing, and here we have music haptics, and here just disable it. As you can see, there are only 2 available apps, so in my case, of course, if you will install, for example, YouTube Music or Spotify, you will see different applications here too, but right now there are only 2 applications where this feature is available. It's music and settings. In settings, because when we click in play sample, we can play it right here, but if you wanna disable it, so you can do it by clicking this button. That's it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful for you, and bye. See you.